starts going all over the place.
Here come bad news, talking this and that. Give me all you got, don't hold it back. I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. Ooh, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Here he comes. Watch us later. Come back, Jay. I'm gonna get squished.